Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Oh, wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
Awesome!
God, you're hot! Nick toss.
Hard butt, Juliet, but it's kind of hurting the back of my skull.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass. Ugh.
Yeah!
Ted, this ain't science, this is magic. Possibly safe. Who cares? One, two.
This is the most disgusting farm ever.
Nick wants your intestines. Intestines. Woo! Nick, someone touch him. Pull his
Now!
butt out from his rectum.
And up you go, babe.
What's this then?
One truth become
This then?
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
heavy. Peace out. Way out.